Dad got out of the car business thinking he would work less in the barbecue business, and that is just not the case. It's all the time, 24/7 here. But it has its rewards. There's a lot of pride in here with our family name on it. It feels good to do it. Sometimes you hate it. Most of the time you love it, but it's an up and down roller coaster. It's all the time. These are shoulders being cooked for tomorrow. Overall, our cooking processes, we haven't changed any of Dad's recipes, but we've improved product by getting better ingredients, getting better meats, improving the way our process of doing things, and we're learning more and more every year. We keep trying to get better and better, and I think eventually we might have this thing down to a science.
The one thing he instilled in us was if you bust your tail and go after it, you're going to go through some tough times, which we've been through a whole bunch of tough times. And there's been some times where, we weren't sure we were going to make it, and it's been a roller coaster. Thank goodness the past, 6, 7, 8 years have been really solid, and I credit that to our staff, and Clay's got a silly saying he used to always say that I love, is like, go hard in the yard, put paint where it ain't, or something like that.
Yeah, go hard in the yard, put paint where it ain't, yeah.
But that's our secret ingredient, is just
hustle.
Work, I wouldn't say I'm great at anything, or Clay's great at anything. We just go after it, and, and good things will happen. And that's just kind of how he raised us. Get in here and watch how we do it.
Yeah.
We throw you in the fire and get after it with us. And if you get after it with us, we'll know you're going to work.
We've been on Corley Mill since we were kids. This town used to be small, believe it or not, but all these cars weren't running down it. But community means a lot to us. We know everyone here, and the community's giving back to us, especially after our dad died. They came in truckloads here to support our business. So forever thankful for the community of Lexington, for sure.
This award, it means a lot. I know it means so much to Robin. A lot of people didn't think we would make it, and in 2014, after he passed, so.
Everybody raise your glass. Robin Hudson, thank y'all.
Hopefully, we're here another 20 years, and we look forward to continue to serve the community and serve the wonderful people of Lexington. Thank y'all.